Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a happy Nurses Day. As you all know, Nurses Day is every day celebrated on 12th of May, as it is the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the foundational philosopher of modern nursing. Nursing is a selfless job, so on this day, make sure you take out time to thank all the nurses you know. Moreover, the nurses' hands that turn caring into action, touch that turn compassion into comfort, smiles that turn love into healing. And all the care and kindness you give to others come back to warm heart. Thanks to all nurses for taking such good care of the people in the most difficult times. Therefore, thank for the unconditional services and patience they give to all the people throughout the world. They give tender care, love and understanding has made a difference in the life of so many people. So hope you all have the same smiling as you make for others. Though nurses who take care in the front rows in the battle against the epidemics are the true warriors, so we all should respect for this. Happy Nurses Day to all the wonderful nurses in the world. The dedication you show towards your job is marvelous and praiseworthy. Thank you for all your sacrificing for most of the weekends for the patients. And so every nurse is an angel to a key of health community. So a very greeting to our International Nurses Day. Your care is truly exceptional. Thank you for doing all you do. At last, I would like to say our world is fighting with a highly contagious COVID-19. So all health workers are risk in this time. So I would thank all the health workers who are dealing with these patients in this difficult times. So they are keeping their health in the risk and they are keeping the duty as above as the family. So nurses play a very vital role. So today we have to support them and take 1 minute of a time to thank the services they provide for us during the time of COVID-19 without caring about their health. So once again at the last, I would wish all of you.
Lord, I just want to take a moment to thank all the nurses working out there selflessly and fearlessly during this hard time. I just want to wish them a very happy Nurses Day and may God give them strength to withstand all these. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Day to all the good nurses who are out there serving people during this tough time, also during this pandemic. I thank each and every one of you. खुदा से दुआ करती हूँ कि जहाँ कहीं भी आप हैं आप safe रहें. You guys are a real blessing to us that you are helping us to stay at our homes while serving the patients out there. हम खुदा से आशा हमेशा रखते हैं कि जहाँ कहीं भी आप हो आप safe रहो. हम जानते हैं एक पेशेंट के साथ हमेशा रहने वाले नर्स ही होते हैं. एंड वी थैंक यू फॉर द सर्विस दैट यू गिविंग टू द पेशेंट. इस टफ टाइम में भी अपने फैमिली से दूर रहना, अपने फ्रेंड से दूर रहना, इट इज़ अ रियल चैलेंज एंड वी थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द पेशेंट्स आउट देयर. एंड आज आपका दिन है, खुश होने का पूरा हक बनता है और इन सब पैंडमिक से हम जल्दी बाहर निकलेंगे ये आशा रखते हैं. और इसी आशा के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहिए, काम करते रहिए एंड stay safe and stay happy in what you're doing and succeed in whatever you do in your life. All the best.
एवरीवन, हैप्पी नर्सेस डे. नर्सिंग सच में एक नोबल प्रोफेशन है और क्वारंटाइन ने हमें ये दिखा दिया है दैट नर्सेस जो इतने सेल्फलेसली हमारे लिए अपनी जान जोखिम में डालकर हॉस्पिटल में लगे हुए हैं. मैं उन्हें कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम आपके लिए प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं. खुदा बाप आपको हमेशा आशीष बरकत दे, प्रोटेक्ट करे और आप इसी तरह हार्ड वर्क करते रहें. सच में आप बहुत ही महान काम कर रहे हैं. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.
Hi everyone, happy Nurses Day to all the nurses. I want to give thanks to all the nurses and all the medical workers who are giving care to the corona sick people and are standing strong against this disease. We are proud of you and surely we're going to win this war with your help and with the power of God. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a very happy Nurses Day to all the nurses out there working so hard without complaining day and night. I know you guys have been through lots of thick and thin, but you guys have been very brave and bold. We are so proud of you. We as student nurses definitely look up to you guys. Keep on doing the same, keep on inspiring us. Thank you so much for being what you are today. Thank you.
Hey guys, happy Nurses Day. A heartfelt thank you to all the nurses who are striving hard to make our lives healthier. You are the real heroes. Kudos to you.